Hello everyone, welcome to FixMaster. In today's video, we will show you how to reset your Telegram password. So let's get started. First things first, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure that you have the app installed in your device. After the app is opened, click on Start Messaging. Then select your country phone number. After this, enter your phone number. After entering, click on Next. Then click on Continue. After this, it will send a verification code to your existing account or phone number message. Then it will ask you to give password. Click on Forgot Password. It will send a code to your email. Enter the code. After this, it will ask you to create a new password. Give your new password and click on Continue. That's all for today's tutorial on how to reset your Telegram password. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.